Everyone, here is today's problem. Solve x plus 2 power 4 plus x plus 1 to the power 4 equals 17. Method 1, we note that 17 equals 1 plus 16, which is 1 power 4 plus 2 to the power 4. So if x equals to 0, the left-hand side of the equation equals x plus 2 to the power 4 plus x plus 1 to the power 4, and it will be 2 to the power 4 plus 1 to the power 4 equals 17. X equals 0 is a solution. Similarly, if x equals to negative 3, the left-hand side equals negative 1 to the power 4 plus negative 2 to the power 4. And again, this is 1 plus 16 equals to 17. Therefore, x equals to negative 3 is a solution. These are the two obvious solutions, and the natural question is there any more? So the question here, are there any real solution to this equation? So we let fx to be x plus 2 power 4 plus x plus 1 to the power 4. And therefore, f prime x equals 4x plus 2 power 3, 4x plus 1 power 3. And f double prime x equals 12x plus 2 square plus 12x plus 1 square. And this is important because it is always greater equals to 0. And since f double prime is greater equals to 0, this means that the graph of y equals to fx will be always concave up. And for y equals to 17, it has at most two different answers. So as we know just now, this is x equals negative 3 and x equals 0. So these are the two real solutions to the equation. So this is the method 1. If you just want to get real solution, what if we want to get all real and non-real solution? So we may look at method 2 now. We use a substitution and say a equals x plus 2 and b equals x plus 1. Then a minus b equals 1. A squared minus 2ab plus b squared equals 1. And a squared plus b squared equals 1 plus 2ab. We square both sides and we have a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 plus 2a squared b squared equals 1 plus 4ab plus 4a squared b squared. And from the equation, a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 equals 17. 17 equals 2a squared b squared plus 4ab plus 1. So meaning that 2a squared b squared plus 4ab minus 16 equals 0. a squared b squared plus 2ab minus 8 equals 0. So we can factorize as ab minus 2, ab plus 4 equals 0. So ab equals to 2 or ab equals to negative 4. So this is this conclusion that we have so far. We have a minus b equals 1, and for ab it can be either 2 or negative 4. So if ab equals to 2, meaning that a times minus b equals negative 2. Together with a minus b equals 1, we can say that a and negative b are roots of u squared minus u minus 2 equals 0. So u minus 2, u plus 1 equals 0. U equals to 2 or u equals to negative 1. So meaning that a equals to 2 or a equals to negative 1. U equals to a and a equals to x plus 2. So x plus 2 equals to 2 or x plus 2 equals to negative 1. Meaning that x equals 0 or x equals to negative 3. And this is what we have just now. On the other hand, if ab equals to negative 4, then we can say that a negative b equals to 4, a plus negative b equals to 1. With this, a and negative b are roots of u squared minus u plus 4 equals 0. U equals to 1 plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2. So this is 1 plus minus square root of 15i over 2. And u equals to a, it is x plus 2. So this is x plus 2. So x will equals to minus 3 plus minus square root of 15i over 2. and these are the non-real solution. So that's all for today's lesson. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.